Hello and welcome to video number 5, how to create thank you download pages. Now this is going to be the main thank you page, whereas the person purchases through your subscription through PayPal button, and they are then forwarded to this main thank you page, which then includes your autoresponder sign up. They can sign up and then they begin to receive the emails. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, do you need individual thank you pages for, your week 1, week 2, day 1, day 2, and so forth and so forth? Probably not unless you have a ton of links. And what I mean by that is if your fixed term membership site is only a monthly membership site and you have, let's say, 20 links, then you might want to create an individual thank you page for that specific month. And so if they get the email, they get a link, the link sends them to a thank you page that has a ton of links on that thank you page. But for the most of you, if you got 5, 8 links and so forth, you can include that inside of the email itself. So it's better off using the email as a thank you email with a link or two or several links on the inside. So remember, do not overwhelm them. Separate it into bite-sized chunks and you're on the road to success. So with that said, let me go ahead and show you what you need to do to start creating your thank you page. So in order to create and edit the HTML thank you page, you're going to need to have a web editing tool. In this specific example, we're going to be using a web editing tool called Composer. And as you can see here, if you go on to google.com and type in Kompozer, it's located at composer.net. Now, I like Composer because it's really easy to use. And as you can see here, this is what it looks like. So if you've used any type of word processor, Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, or anything like that, then using this tool is actually just about the same. And it's actually quite easy to do. Now, depending on your operating system, Composer is compatible with Windows, with Macintosh, and Linux. So if you click on this downloads link at the very top, you will notice that they have it in different languages. They have it in different operating systems for Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. So go ahead and download the software, go ahead and install it, and then I'll see you on the other side. Now, since I've already installed the program and I already use it, what you want to do is go back to the folder where all of our other pieces of content are located, right here. So what I like to do is just put the thank you page somewhere in the folder so everything is easily accessible. Now what you need to do is you can create it any name you want, but what I normally do in Windows is I create a new text document and then I rename this and call this thanks and then put a bunch of numbers, a bunch of letters, .html. And click on yes, and this will be our thank you page. Now, if I've installed Composer and everything is working, then all I need to do is right click that file and click on open with, and I'll move it down here so you can see it better. But if I right click and click on open with Composer, as you can see, it has opened up our thanks bunch of numbers.html, and this is our thank you page. So normally what I do on the thank you page is I say thanks for purchasing, please fill out your name and email to begin receiving the content. And what you can do here is you can actually highlight this and change the font if you choose to do so. You can make the font larger, you can make the font smaller, you can bold it, you can italicize it, you could underline it, and so forth. And you can also change the font face here. So if I want to make it Arial, I can do that. Thanks for purchasing. I can put that in red. And to please fill out your name and email to begin receiving the content. Now, in order to finalize the thank you page, I need to have the autoresponder code. So what I like to do is put some sort of phrase, a keyword phrase, like 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And then in the future videos, I'm going to show you how to get the web code from your autoresponder and add it over here. And you'll see why this is important to have. Something that is unique and something that you will remember. Now, you can also add some images here. You can also add some other offers that you can sell people on the thank you page, and a lot more. Now, in terms of creating the sales page, editing the sales page to have a PayPal button that then forwards to this specific thank you HTML page, I'm going to show you that in the next video.